Today I'm going to be tearing down PlayStation memory cards, see what's inside of them. Memory cards. I guess Sega CD was the same, but it actually came with some memory. Yeah, Sega CD came with enough memory for like one game. Now these two are different colors, but they have the same model number on them, so I'm going to have a look. I'm curious. Oh, definitely a little bit different. Yeah, I'll say. So this is the one that came from the white one. This is the one that came from the other one. Go in here. Yeah. I wonder, the one on the left, it has this extra chip here. I wonder what that one's supposed to do, what we're missing out on. Next up, aftermarket memory card enhancers. And then